Anyone?
Yes, mommy.
You're enjoying.
Hi, welcome back to my mommy's channel. I'm doing hen for cooking.
Wow.
Going to be a sweet.
Very sweet. Chai.
Somebody's crying, Bolo. Somebody's crying, Bolo.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Grandma for you, and it is a beautiful afternoon. Grandma have just closed from the school, and in fact, one of my parents that sells nkop. Do you know nkop? Nkop is clean, so I'm going to show you because she is removing it for me. And meanwhile, Eliwan is here. Eli Coco, baby. Eliwan.
Hi, welcome back to my mommy's channel.
Yes, we have just closed from the school and we are waiting for our sister to remove the nkop for us. Do you know what is nkop? Nkop is claim. Don't worry, I'm going to show you because she's doing it. Hello, beauty. Come.
Welcome to my mommy's channel.
Yes, sweet, sweet. Come. Mama, come. Wait, remove my. Let me remove my hand, though. You want to break my hand for me? This is my small hand. Yes, this is my sweetie. Baby girl. Say hello.
Hello.
Remove your hand now. Use your hand and say wave to my people. Say hello.
Hello.
Wave your hand. Wave your hand. Hello.
Hello.
That's beautiful. Okay, can you tell my people your name?
Yes.
Okay, tell them your name. This is one of our new pupils that have just registered in the school. She came 2 days ago. Her name is
Basema.
Can you tell my people your name?
Yes.
Tell my people your name. Say, my name is Abasiama.
My name is Basema.
Yes, her name is Abasiama. So, Abasiama means God's love. So, God loves her so, so much. And here is
Helen.
Helen. Okay, and
My name is Mfaniso.
Mfoniso. Mfoniso means
Good luck.
good luck. Wow, good luck, Ebere Jonathan. All right, guys, so we are here in the school. Let me show you the cup that they are removing for us. So here is one of our parents, and that is the daughter. So she came to pick the daughter. She sells nkop, and in fact, I have to buy it because I love eating nkop. So this is nkop. Let me show you how it is. I'm sure you know this. This is clean. This is clean. So after buying it, even if you're in the market and you buy nkop, they will remove it for you. So when she came in, I had to buy, and she has to remove it for me. She has almost finished it. This is 3-pack that I bought. She ties them to 200 a pack. So this is the third one. She has finished. So I'm going to show you some other ones that is remaining inside. You know that mommy, it's young mommy no fun. Ebo get si won ki ko. As if fun so. Okay, yes, Ibo Yimko. Okay, so she's telling us that that water is also good, and in fact that water is a blood tonic. Yes, so that water is blood tonic. But in a situation where they want to drink that water, it's not this one that they have washed and inside though. They would take time and cut it. By the time they cut it, the thing will drip into a plate or cup. Then they will keep that one aside. Yes. So this is it.
Did I remove the water?
Remove the water. I'm not going to use it. Remove it. So you tie it now. So she came to pick her daughter in the school, and she's also selling. This one, you're using one stone to kill two birds. So. So that's my own. Some of my teachers have also bought and they have gone. But she has to stay and, remove it for me to take it home. Thank you, Mama. So my Mama went to our house to bring the knife so that they can remove it for me. So this one now is going to be waste because we are going to throw it away. We can use this to fill the ground though. So you're not going to take them home. You are going to use it to fill this outside for me because I'm even looking for sand. Look at that sand, they just brought it. We have to fill this place so that we can, do what we want to do with it. So these ones are the ones that have not been bought. A pack of this is 200 naira. Abi? Yes. That's 200. Bring out that 500. Oh, okay. This one is 500. These ones are a bit bigger in size than this one. So, they are still remaining. This is correct Ibo Yibo. Nko miro ta Ibo Yibo. Aye yemfi. Yisobo. Okay. Anyone?
Yes, mommy.
You're enjoying
Hi, welcome back to my mom's channel. I'm doing hen for cooking.
Wow.
A little bit sweet.
Very sweet. Chai. You're too much. You that just came back from school. You want to do chicken and eat. Tawa for you.
My mother that want to eat this hen.
Is it your mommy that will eat? You unko, you will not eat.
I'll eat.
Your mommy have the legs
Yeah.
and you have the head.
Yeah.
The leg and the head. Now who eats most? It's you. Anyone, this your chicken is big. Oh. Carry it up. Let us see. Okay, guys.
Look at this place.
I cut it. Leave. Let me show them like that. Wow. Okay, guys. This chicken is very big. Oh. Look at it. It's big. Big, man. See. So, let me butcher it. I have already started. I forgot to show you. So, anyone, did you come and greet your people? Okay, you have greeted them when you were doing the chicken. Come now, come and say hi to your people.
Hi, welcome back to my mom's channel. We are doing the chicken.
Come like this so that they will see you well.
Hi, welcome back to my mom's
Louder.
channel. Hi, welcome back to my mom's channel. We are doing the chicken together.
We are doing the chicken together.
Yes.
So now that I'm doing it, are you doing it?
No.
You have done your own, have you? My baby say we are doing the chicken together. Actually, we are doing it together. The chicken is big. This chicken, I've not really made up my mind what I'm going to use it for because I'm having two things in mind. One is chicken pepper soup and the next one is the afiai ferune. That is white soup with chicken. So that is what is in my mind though. But when I come back from school tomorrow, I know what I will use it for. Yes. I'm gonna wash it. Guys, I'm done cutting and washing the chicken. So I'm going to store it here in my freezer bowl. It has a cover, and this bowl come in a set. It has a set of 6 sets, and this is the biggest size. So I'm going to store this here. I hope it will enter. I just pray it should enter because this chicken is very big. Hey. All right, so I'm going to cover this and then store it in the freezer. Oh my goodness. Then I can use it anytime that I like and for any purpose that I want to use it for. So I'm going to store this in the freezer. Okay guys, so we are done with the preparation of the chicken. So we have put it in the freezer, waiting for the day that we are going to make use of it. So from me and my baby girl here, we say bye.